In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Behance. If your Behance account is connected to your Adobe account, your password settings are managed through Adobe, so that's where you'll need to make the update. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can change your password without any confusion. To begin, log into the Adobe account that is connected to your Behance account. Make sure you're using the correct account, since the password change will apply to the Adobe login linked with Behance. Once you're signed in, go to your account overview page and click Edit Profile. After that, look over to the left-hand panel. In that menu, find and select Sign In and Security. This section contains the settings related to your account access, including your password. Inside Sign In and Security, look for the Current Password section. On the right side of that section, you'll see a Change button. Click that, then give the page a moment to reload. After it refreshes, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity by entering your current password. Type your current password into the field provided, then click Continue. Next, enter the new password you want to use. After that, re-enter the same new password in the next field to confirm it. As you do this, make sure the new password is something secure and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. A strong password is usually a good idea whenever you're updating account security. You may also see an option to sign out of all active logins. If you want extra security, especially if you've signed in on shared devices or old devices you no longer use, you can check that box. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to make sure your account is fully refreshed after the password change. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Update Password. After that, your new password will be saved, and the change is complete. From then on, you'll use the updated password the next time you sign into your Adobe account and any connected services like Behance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Behance password through your Adobe account settings.